Africa, a continent full of diverse cultures and traditions, each with its own unique story to tell. The African continent is a treasure trove of diverse cultures and traditions, each with its own unique qualities. One such distinctive group is the Gabra people, who call the arid region of northern Kenya and southern Ethiopia as their home. Known for their resilience and adaptability to harsh desert conditions, the Gabra have developed a rich cultural heritage that sets them apart. One notable aspect of their culture is their exquisite artistry. Gabra artisans are highly skilled in crafting intricate jewelries, vibrant textiles, and beautifully carved wooden sculptures. These artistic creations not only showcase their creativity but also serves as a means of storytelling and preserving their history. Additionally, the Gabra women play significant roles in their societies. They are known for their strength and independence, taking on responsibilities such as managing household finances and making important decisions alongside their male counterparts. The women are even the architects in the Gabra culture. This empowerment of women is a remarkable feature of the Gabra culture and highlights their commitments to gender equality. The Gabra people, with their artistic prowess and progressive mindset, exemplify the beauty and uniqueness of African culture, serving as a testament to the diverse and richness that the continent has to offer. Their resilience, cultural practices, and deep connection with the land makes the Gabra people a fascinating and inspiring example of African uniqueness. So, with my big ballpoint pen, I created this lovely art piece of a Gabra woman to appreciate their unique culture as part of the vast cultures we have in Africa. This piece is available for sale, both the original copy and the printable versions. You can order via my social media handles or on email gafexian@gmail.com. So now, don't hold the contagious smiles and emotions that this piece triggers. Help share it with your friends so more people will get to enjoy this too. Thank you.